Ready to downsize and sell your house, but need some help preparing it for sale? Don't know where to start or what to do with all those things that you have acquired throughout the years? Well, you've come to the right place. I am here to provide you with some expert tips for decluttering and preparing your home for sale. These tips will help you to maximize your space, minimize your stress, and prepare your home to attract many buyers. Welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Claudia De Leon, a real estate agent in Southern California, ready to guide you through the journey of downsizing your home. First step in downsizing your home is preparing the home for sale. And the first step in preparing the home for sale is decluttering. Here are some expert tips for how to get started and how to make your way through decluttering your house room by room. Accumulating clutter is easy, as it happens without you even realizing it. But I'm sure it has also probably taken you years to accumulate all those things that you have in your house. So it is very important that you give yourself some grace and be realistic as to how long the decluttering of your house will take. This is going to help you to stay motivated along the way. Let's acknowledge that decluttering takes a lot of physical, mental, and emotional energy. So let's make sure that you go into it with a plan and with the right tools. I recommend you set a deadline and you make sure that you leave yourself some room for rest. Remember, it took you many years to accumulate so many things. So take it easy on yourself. Make yourself comfortable. Wear comfortable clothes and footwear. Remember, you're going to be working, moving, and disposing of items, so make sure to protect your feet. If you can't lift, hire or invite a relative or a friend to be there to help you. Have your meals planned so that you will be able to feed yourself during your breaks. And make sure to stay hydrated so you can maintain your energy. Decide on your deadline, have a schedule, and gather all the tools that you will need. You're going to need just a few things: some boxes, a marker, tape, and trash bags. On day one, you're gonna label the boxes. You're gonna label them toss, keep, and donate. Remember, we're going to declutter room by room. Every time we start a new room, we will start with a small area. So we're gonna get started with the kitchen first. We have chosen the kitchen because it is the heart of the home, and it is the one place that is gonna get the most attention from buyers. So we want to make sure that the kitchen area gets decluttered and it's clean. In the kitchen area, you're going to begin with the refrigerator. Start by tossing all food and empty containers. This is gonna help you so that you can get into that toss mindset. And that is what we want, because we want you to be able to get rid of all of those unwanted items. Right after you are done with the refrigerator, you're gonna start with a small cabinet in your kitchen. There is no need to do all the cabinets or the entire pantry. You just start with one drawer or one shelf. For every space in the kitchen, use the following method. Empty the space and put the items on a counter or a table. Categorize and decide on each item. Check for the expiration date if it's food, and see if it's still in good use. If there is an item that you have multiples of, then decide which one you will keep. For every item, you want to do the following. You want to decide whether you want to keep it, toss it, or donate it. Before you put the things back into the cabinet, you want to wipe it down. Once you have finished that one area, then you go to another small area. Make sure to declutter cabinets, drawers, pantry, and the area under the sink. Place all the items in the toss box in the trash can and designate a space to put the donation boxes. Now that we are done with the kitchen, we are moving on to the bathrooms. Now, moving on to the bathrooms, we're gonna use the same approach. We're gonna start with one small area, such as the medicine cabinet, for example. We're gonna take everything out of the medicine cabinet. We're gonna clear it out, put it on a table, and then you're gonna decide if you're gonna keep it or if you're gonna toss it. You're gonna create categories, a category for hair products, makeup, skincare, medical supplies, medications. And as you go through those medications, you wanna make sure to check the expiration date, and you wanna make sure to toss anything that is expired. Designate areas within your cabinets according to zones, such as skincare, hair products, etc. When you put things back, use the top drawers for things that you use the most, such as your toothbrushes, your toothpaste, face wash. Don't forget, before you put them back, make sure to wipe everything down. Once you are finished, you want to make sure to get rid of all the items that you put in the trash bag or in the toss box. And make sure to go and clean your bathroom or hire somebody to clean it for you. Now we're going to move on to the bedrooms and apply the same method to each bedroom. So when you think of decluttering the bedroom, the first thing that comes to your mind is the closet. And the thought of dealing with so many items, some of which may hold sentimental value, can be overwhelming. So here are some strategies to help you to make this process a little bit easier. 1. Break down the project into categories such as clothes, shoes, accessories, etc. If you don't already have categories within your closet, then empty some space and start designating areas for your categories. And if you already have designated areas, then empty that area, that one that you're going to work on, and lay everything on a table or on a bed. You're going to go through each item and decide what you're going to keep, what you're going to toss, and what you're going to donate. You may need to try some things on and decide it might not always be so easy. But keep in mind, what makes you feel good? What brings you joy? Ask yourself if it fits your current lifestyle. And also think about the space in your next home. And make it a point that you're only going to take things that bring you joy and fit your current lifestyle. Once you select what you are going to keep, put it right back into the closet and proceed with the next category until you are finished decluttering the closet. Place the donated items in an area of your house where you have designated that donations will go, and you at this point can take it to the Goodwill, church, charity organization of your choice, whatever you decide, but try to get rid of it if you're not going to have a garage sale. If you need help lifting, make sure to enlist the help of a relative, friend, church member, or hire someone to help you. Clean surfaces or anything that doesn't belong and put it where it belongs. Hang your robe on the hook, put away any clothes that you haven't already taken care of. Just make sure that you address everything that doesn't belong in the bedroom, put it outside. If you have a dresser, remember to follow the same method that we have been using. Declutter one drawer at a time. Following this method will help you not to get overwhelmed with things everywhere, and it will keep you from zigzagging. By now, your bedroom should start feeling more spacious and relaxing. And I guarantee you that tonight, you are going to probably feel more relaxed and enjoy a more restful sleep. Before you go on to another room, make sure to take a break, eat, hydrate, make sure you're getting some rest so that you don't burn yourself out. Now, let's move on to the dining area and let's follow the same steps. If you have a china cabinet, go through it one shelf at a time. So for many of us, we have collectibles, memorabilia, and so many other things in our china cabinets. There may be things that remind you of someone, a gift someone gave you, or a place that you travel. It's important to keep in mind that all of those memories are still within us and that you can still have them without having to hang on to every single physical reminder. Let's keep moving forward through preparing your home for sale, and let's be excited about your new future home. It's time for the living room, and by now you know the drill. We're going to follow the same approach, one small area at a time. So select an area like a cabinet, bookshelf, coffee table, empty it, dust it off, place the items on a table or in a laundry bag, and then Start going through them. Decide, do you want to keep it, toss it, or donate? Categorize the items and decide what you are going to do with them. Just remember to keep in mind the space of your future home and do your best to keep only items that you need and that you will use in your future home. This will make it so much easier when you have to pack for your move. Now, let's go ahead and go to the laundry room and declutter it as well. Once we are done with that area, following the same steps, starting with one small area, deciding whether you're gonna keep it, toss it, or donate it. At the end, you're just gonna wipe your washer and dryer and you're done with your laundry room. Now you have 2 more spaces left to declutter. These are the garage and your yard. You may want to hire someone to declutter your yard if you have physical limitations and difficulty lifting things. Ask a friend or a relative for a referral, or if you have a gardener, your gardener may be willing to help you or may know someone who can help you. In the garage, you're gonna start sorting items into categories or groups that make sense to you, such as gardening, clothing, sporting goods, camping, tools, and seasonal decorations and memorabilia. Look at the items in each group and toss all of those items that are a no-brainer. Those are like rusty nails, broken tools, or clothing, rugs, any broken furniture. Just go for it and fill those trash bins. Dispose of leftover paint. You can visit paintcare.org or call 855-724-6809 for program and details of locations or where you can drop this off, or you can contact your city and ask about household hazardous waste collection events near you. So just like you got rid of the easy no-brainer items, the items that you want to keep are also going to stand out to you. So again, without thinking about it too much, just look at the items and think of your future space and your lifestyle and try to keep only those items that you wish to take with you. The remaining items you have left can be donated, or if you have decided to have a garage sale, after you have the garage sale, just donate everything that is left over from the garage sale. Congratulations on your decision to downsize to a more manageable home. You're gonna make it through getting rid of all these things and decluttering your home. Once you are done, your home is going to look so much better, and buyers are going to be able to see the beautiful space in your home and not the clutter. Once you are finished with the decluttering of your home and cleaning your home, you are now ready for staging. You may want to go the extra mile and stage your home. Staging your home involves cleaning, rearranging of furniture, and redecorating to present the home in the best possible light. Watch my video on tips for staging your home. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.